Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing yet another Pinterest inspired makeup look. Well, I shouldn't say makeup look, I should say eye look, because the eye look is straight off of Pinterest. I was looking last night, found one that I wanted to do, so I'm sitting down today to sit here and film it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Prime. Now I'm just going to set them with a base color. It's like this light tan shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just putting that all over my lid to set it. This area is going on. Definitely forgot that that shade had a little bit of reflective glitter in it, but it should be okay for the makeup look. I do want to mention that I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette for the eye look, and I may use either the gold in the Subculture palette or the gold in this Ace Beauty palette that I received. Still debating, up in the air. But the eyeshadow look that I'm doing will be inserted somewhere on the screen, if not to the side of me. Simple yet beautiful. I like the outer crease work, or the outer corner work. She does have a winged liner. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the wing liner, but the whole point of the video is to try and create the same exact look, so why not, right? I am going to start, of course, with the crease shade, and it's going to be like this orange in the palette. Tap off my brush and put that in my crease, and also a little bit above it, because the rest of the shades are going to go more so in my crease. Now, using the same brush, I'm taking a darker, kind of like reddish brown color, and first I am trying to perfect that outer corner to kind of make like that triangle effect, and then I'll move slowly into my crease. It's probably like a step you kind of just like want to slowly take your time on, so that you can get it to look nice. Okay, now we want to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit more. So I'm going to go into like this almost like cranberry shade in the palette, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. So we want to deepen it up. I'm using like this pencil brush first, and then I'm going to go back in with that same brush that we were using earlier or prior, and blend it, and also get it in my crease. Okay, so now for the glitter part, it's only kind of like right in this area here, and then it's like plain in the front. So actually I think I'm going to do like the plain side first, and I'm going to use some NARS concealer, and I'm going to just put a little bit, try and do the tiniest amount in that inner corner part. So now for the glitter, I want to use this Vitalist Healthy Glow liquid highlighter, and I want to use this as a base, even though it's kind of like a rose gold tone shade. I kind of want to use it as a base for the highlighter because I really want my highlighter to like pop. So if I apply a little bit of this, maybe it will serve as a base for the actual highlight that we will apply. To go directly on top of that, we are going to put Prime Rose right here. It's like a gold. I'm just going to slowly build that up. Then we're going to grab the little bullet brush that we use for the darker toned color in the corner and just kind of try and blend the glitter with the shadow. To set the inner corner part, I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm just going to tap that off as much as I can and then just tap this into this place. That way it just, something's there to like set that concealer that we put. So for the bottom lash, I'm gonna add that outer corner red shade that we had put there, as well as that orange reddish shade. So first the orange reddish shade on the bottom lash line, and I'm just gonna drag it all the way through. Ooh, let's poke my eye out. And then I'm gonna put it on the other eye, of course. Then it looks like there is glitter in the inner parts of the eye, so I'm going to do that with the glitter that I used and try and get at least a little bit of it. I'm not going to put no base down or anything. And then of course pop on some bottom lash mascara. I'm just going to use this Maybelline Classic Volume Express Mascara. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys are proud of me. This is my first time doing a wing liner on camera. Well, yeah, on camera, but I don't really wear wing liner. It's really not my thing, or at least I thought it wasn't, but I'm actually pretty impressed with myself. If nobody ever told you, I feel like using that tape not only as a guide for my eyeshadow to get that snatched like outer corner, but also to use it when you're doing your wing liner, it's definitely very helpful, and I feel like that's why my liner came out so good, or at least good enough. Could be better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave your comments in the comment section below. Of course, I don't have anything else to say other than I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog, whichever one comes first.